Want to make stylish, cool looking stuff on the internet, but you just don't know how, or you think it might look weird? Well, don't worry about it. Pika is here. All right. Pika, welcome to the Pika universe. You can create AI, automate workflows, have all that fun stuff. And you can see right here, boom, everything is ready for you. So you can describe your story. I want a simple workflow for creating YouTube videos. I can actually hit generate here. I can sign in with, and while I'm doing that, I can sign in with Google. So that's how we do Pika. And I really like this. So I can hit continue. And we're into Pika. So here we have our inspiration. So you can make this yours. Now, I have all the models here. I'm going to skip the offer for now. But you can see this has the old school Windows Media Player. I really like this. So you can click on one of these and actually see it. And I really like how this looks. Then we have the Pika effects. And then even the library. So you can do the generations. I want a frog dancing. So you can do that. Now, one thing is for this, not everything happens at once. So for faster generations, they're going to say, hey, if you want to go to the line, then definitely upgrade. But you can create awesome images like this or awesome videos like this. As you can see right here, I really like this. It's very, very simple.
Loading the perfect girl.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I think I'm stuck in the wrong window again. Hi.
You might be, Kevin. So you can make videos like that. You can make any type of videos you want. And then there's also Pika effects here, which I really like. So if you want to make something kind of funny with this arcade type thing, then you can do that. So you can even upload an image. That could be your image from your computer. So you just upload an image like I did here. And you can generate this, which is another cool thing. Now, you're going to have to wait in line, as you can see. This is something I just made when I was first starting out. So check that out. Pika. Boom. But you can do cool Pika effects like this. And all you have to do is put your image in here and you're ready to go. That one's a little creepy, isn't it? But that is Pika in a nutshell. You can have fun with this. As I say, the magic's in your hands. You can also get it on, if you have an iPhone, you can do that. So that's a cool thing. Have fun on your iPhone and just make really fun things. You're probably wondering how people on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube are making these cool shorts. Well, they're doing it here, and you can do it through videos. You can even do selfie type videos like this or love or anything like that. And that's how simple it is to do. So get your Pika going. Let me know what you think down below. If you enjoy this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next one.